So my neighbor told me about this thing called the gelatin trick, and at first I thought it was just another one of her skincare fads. But then I saw her a few weeks later and her skin was literally glowing. I mean, we're talking radiant, even-toned, the whole works. She swore it was all thanks to the gelatin trick, which basically involves drinking a mixture of gelatin and water every morning. Apparently, the gelatin helps to strengthen your nails and hair from the inside out, and also gives your skin this incredible glow. My friend has been doing the gelatin trick for a while now, and she says it's totally transformed her beauty routine. She no longer needs to use all these expensive skincare products to get the same effect. The gelatin trick is all about simplicity and using what you already have in your kitchen, which I love. If you're curious to try the gelatin trick for yourself, I've got a link to a simple recipe in the description below, and I've also pinned a comment with some tips on how to incorporate it into your daily routine. Check it out and let me know how it goes.